Student loan discharge must be your first option, not your last. However, most borrowers start with payment plans like Save, IBR, Pay, PSLF, but that's the wrong order. If you're drowning in student loan debt, discharge has to be considered first, not last. I'm Anthony J. Perano. I'm a federal court attorney with 35 years of experience and a national student loan consultant. I'm going to show you why. First, the system is backwards. The entire student loan system is designed to force you into repayment plans first and relief last. Services steer you towards various plans. They steer you towards recertification. They steer you towards 20 years of payment and more. Meanwhile, under the new DOJ rules, hardship-based student loan discharge is more available than ever before. And borrowers most eligible for it never hear about it because nobody tells them that discharge comes first. Now, let's talk about why discharge must come first. Well, when you're facing shock bills, exploding payments, incorrect counts of balances that never go down, that isn't failure. That's evidence. Evidence of what? Evidence of hardship. Evidence that repayment isn't sustainable. It's evidence the DOJ actually uses in a discharge case. That's why we always begin with discharge. Does your income versus payment show impossibility or extreme difficulty? Does your medical, childcare, living expense burden show hardship? Does your age, disability, or employment ceiling show long-term limitations? Or does your repayment history show years of struggle? This is the legal foundation of discharging a case. And if you qualify for discharge, you don't need 20 years of payment. You need a fresh start. So, why and when do we use these plans? Now, let's say the DOJ discharge option isn't available. Then we move down to the repayment plans. But not to pay forever. We can use IBR, Pay, or PSLF strategically. How is that? To stabilize you, to reduce your payments, to correct records, to fix services error, to rebuild eligibility for forgiveness. Plans are the fallback, not the first line of defense. That goes to discharge. That's the real hierarchy borrowers should have been taught all along. Now, if you need help with your student loans and you're in trouble and you can't make the payments, or if they just seem ridiculous or don't make any sense, you can book a consultation with me and we can see if they're legally dischargeable. So, my name is Anthony Perano again. You can just go to the description, click on the link, look at my website, look at my recent publications, see if you'd like help. And if you do, I'm here and I'll be glad to speak with you. Thank you.